हेलो हेलो। आज हम सीखेंगे ब्लेंडर फ्लोक स्मोक टनल ट्यूटोरियल। तो एक्चुअली मुझे एक वीडियो मिल चुका है जो आई एम टेकिंग दिस वीडियो एज अ रेफरेंस फॉर दिस लाइव स्ट्रीम। इट्स बेसिकली हाउ
Welcome
टू
back to
सिमुलेट ए
another
फ्लो,
tutorial. Today I'm
समथिंग
going to
लाइक
be
दिस।
showing you how to create a wind tunnel effect. I'll throw some examples up on the screen for those of you watching on YouTube. One of the first things I'm going to do is just
तो बीइंग ऑनेस्ट आई हैव ऑलरेडी वॉच दिस वीडियो, तो मुझे एक बेसिक आइडिया है कि व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू हियर। मैं ये करना क्यों चाहता हूँ? द रीजन बीइंग कि मुझे कुछ सिमुलेट करना था मेरे अगली वीडियो के लिए। आई वाज ट्राइंग टू simulate what do we call this Magnus effect, जहां पर the when you backflip the ball from a dam, एक वेरिटेशन का बहुत फेमस वीडियो था, वायरल वीडियो था। Actually the ball creates lift and travels longer distance. The reason behind it is basically when the ball is backspin, the air above it moves faster and creating the lower pressure above and higher pressure below the ball so that the lift takes off. This is called as Bernoulli principle. Though ये थोड़ा सा controversial take है, explanation है, there is another explanation, that is जब ball ऊपर से जाती है तो it pushes the air downwards. So this downward force creates an upward force that is in opposite direction, which is third law of motion. तो दोनों explanation will work for lift. तो हम उसको सिमुलेट करना चाहता था मैं अगले वीडियो के लिए, विच इज बेसिकली a short. आई एम यूजिंग ए शॉर्ट बिकॉज ब्लेंडर सीखने में जल्दी हो गई कि हम छोटे छोटे वीडियोस बनाकर सीख लेंगे। तो दिस इज द वीडियो दैट हैव टुक फॉर रेफरेंस। तो
add a sphere.
बेसिकली आई गो फॉर ब्लेंडर, आई गो फॉर जनरल। तो मैंने वीडियो काफी हद तक देख चुका हूँ और थोड़ी बहुत प्रैक्टिस भी कर चुका हूँ। तो व्हाट वी आर गोना डू इज टेक दिस ए, नॉट ए, आई सेलेक्ट दिस एंड डिलीट दिस फर्स्ट, shift a, mesh this one, I've taken the ball or the spear. तो what we'll do is हम इस पर लगाएंगे basically frame 1 पर we'll take the frame line timeline, frame 1 पर we'll insert it so that we have this, and around 1000 frame पर, which is 24 frames per second आप लोगे तो around 4 seconds पर somewhere here we'll rotate this 3600 degrees, enter. I don't know how it is rotating. Wait. Hold on this. 100 frame per. I will take this ball. I'll just take the eye line, rotate in y direction. Wait. Cancel R in y direction. 3600. So something like this. मैंने गड़बड़ कर दी थोड़ी सी. Select it. I'll delete all. So go back to 0. I'll say I. Select this and insert frame. And on the 100th frame, select this R and Y 3600. Enter. Now select I. So if you look closely, what is that? What is it? So ये direction ये move हो रहा, right? So I think I should just add something for it to look. I'll come back. I'll show you what's happening. It's rotating like this. So we have to create this. How it's rotating? So we'll give y minus. Now it is rotating on the right hand side. So what for if it is rotating right hand side, what we have to do is we have to place our flow source here somewhere at this point. So let's do it then. We will take a cube, shift A, cube, grab y direction. Oh no, it's x direction. So we'll keep it somewhere here. In this video, let's just follow this video.
To my scene. This is what will be making the smoke travel.
इस वीडियो में वो he'll not take a plain surface for this. He'll take some boxes like this. We'll just do this. We'll just copy because we don't know how to correct ourselves when we go wrong. So if you use the video, it will be great for us. So we'll just take this. I will yes it in all direction, probably small or something like this. I'll go for them. I think it's a little bigger. So I'll do it again. Yes, this will be fine, I guess. What do you say? It's fine. Just cute fine. Should be. I think I should little bit do it a little bit. I'll go from Z view, Y view is fine, X view. I'll make it a little shorter in size. Yes. I think this is fine, I guess. I'll just duplicate it. I can just use array here. So I'll try and use array. मुझे पता नहीं यूज कैसे करते हैं तो जल्दी सीख लेंगे अगर ट्राई करते रहेंगे. Generate array will offset ये हम 0 रख देंगे x का. हम y डायरेक्शन में लेंगे 2. y डायरेक्शन 0 लेंगे. x में 2 लेंगे. x में z में लेंगे 3. तो I guess ये तो 0 एंटर. z में 2 enter. Then we'll have probably 5. I guess will be fine. Right? Done. We'll select this. We'll grab this in C direction. Because over. So I'll take this so that we know exactly what's happening. So we'll just grab it and move it into x axis so that we'll see. Is it correct? I'll just move it a little, man. Grab Z little bit, then grab Y or X will come back. Somewhere here will be fine, I guess. चलो. Now हमारा तो ये जो है सोर्स तो आ गया. ये है हमारा बॉल. It is the one will the smoke will have an impact on. Then हमको एक क्या बनाना है, सिस्टम बनाना था या फिर से क्यूब जैसा बनाना होता है जिसमें ये सब काम करेगा. इट्स अ सिस्टम. जो इसको डोमेन कहते हैं टेक्निकल भाषा में. कंट्रोल ए मैश क्यूब. Then we'll lace it up little bit. But before that I will do this ताकि हमको अंदर का भी दिखता रहे. Select this S in Y direction or in X direction first. तो इतना. S in Z direction थोड़ा सा कम कर लेंगे. Right. ये direction में S in X direction or Y direction. We'll clamp it down. I think this is fine. एक मिनट रुको. मैं थोड़ा सा चार्जिंग लगा. अच्छा, मैं थोड़ा सा अपने लैपटॉप को चार्जिंग पे रख लिया। तो दिस व्हाट वी हैव डन। और यहाँ और इसमें ये बॉल फिर रही है इन दिस डायरेक्शन। सो फाइन, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव। फॉर द क्यूब विल गो फॉर दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फिजिक्स प्रॉपर्टीज। हम इसमें जाएंगे और फ्लूइड टाइप में डोमेन, विच मीन इसमें होगा दिस इज द सिस्टम। इसमें जो भी फ्लो होगा, जो कोलिजन होगा वो होगा। दैट्स इट। Cube will come to this. We'll go for again this, and we have fluid type flow smoke geometrically inflow. क्यों मुझे नहीं पता, आई एम जस्ट कॉपिंग दी वीडियो दैट हैव सीन फॉर रेफरेंस। अब करते हैं फ्लो इनफ्लो यूज वर्टेक्स इनिशियल, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। देन वी हैव दिस पेयर, गो फॉर इट। फ्लूइड टाइप इज इफेक्टर। इफेक्टर माने जिस पर कोलाइड करेंगे। और थोड़ा सा सरफेस, उस वीडियो में उसने 0.2 रखा था, तो विल जस्ट कॉपी इट। डन। अब हमको बस हमारा ये मूव होते दिख रहा है, थोड़ा थोड़ा सा ये हमारा स्मोक काइंड ऑफ आ चुका है। एंड ये बॉक्स इज नथिंग बट कितना, क्या कहते हैं, रेजोल्यूशन कितना है जो फ्लो पार्टिकल्स आएंगे शायद उसका। तो अगर हम इसमें डोमेन में जाकर के इफ यू चेंज दिस रेजोल्यूशन, तो आप देखना कि विल कीप इट टू 200 फॉर नाउ। तो अब इसका बॉक्स जो है ना, कहाँ गया पता नहीं, बॉक्स क्यों नहीं आ रहा। हाँ देखो बॉक्स, इट हैज गॉटन स्मॉलर just because I have changed domain ka which is this box with this box, or this box I have changed the domain of it, resolution of it। domain में resolution change करने पर ये box which shows the resolution of it। so इतना ज़्यादा time लगेगा, तो we'll go back to 36 or 30 whatever it was। I think I will reduce it because ये अगर resolution है box इन boxes से छोटा होगा तो flow simulate नहीं होगा। तो we'll go back little ज़्यादा, हम 100 कर लेंगे एंड, और थोड़ा ज़्यादा 150 कर लेंगे, 150। चल अब once this is done, what we should do now, we should basically I forgot what we should do। याद है, मुझे याद है flow inflow what should, मैं एकदम से वीडियो नहीं देखूंगा क्योंकि आई ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट माई सेल्फ बिफोर आई वॉच द वीडियो। ऐसे करने से ना, इफ यू थिंक वी विल स्ट्रगल विद डूइंग थिंग्स, तो ये कहा जाता है कि हम जल्दी सीखते हैं चीजों को, रिमेंबर याद जल्दी रखते हैं। तो हम जस्ट विल जस्ट फिगर इट आउट आवरसेल्फ, ट्राई टू फिगर इट आउट आवरसेल्फ। इसमें ग्रेविटी बंद करनी होती है बाद में जा करके। modifiers, we don't need modifiers for now। physics, we need physics। I don't know what I need। fluid notes, I think we should bake, that's what we should do। Before that we'll go for output and we'll do it for 100 frames। that's what we have to do। हम जाएंगे physics में। I think I should bake it, or there's something more to it। I'll just, और एक चीज थी सॉरी मैं भूल गया, which is shift A। हम ऐड करेंगे विंड का डायरेक्शन, विंड कहाँ से आ रही है। so this is what I forgot। wind will just do it 90 degrees, आर मार के 90 degrees कर देंगे इसको। डन। then grab in y direction, it's getting bigger one। okay, in y direction, select it, in y direction। okay, एक बड़ी हो रही है but we don't want it। अच्छा, that's why वो बड़ी हो रही है। x directions, cancel, grab x direction, we'll go back। Go back. और उसकी थोड़ी सी स्ट्रेंथ ज्यादा कर लेंगे. Strength will keep us probably 5. चलो. Now once we are done, we'll go back to this. Okay. Should I do bake now, or are there any other things that I've forgotten? Should I bake? कुछ और आ गया? Go domain man. Let's see. Go domain. I think मुझे यहाँ पर कुछ चीजें करनी थी. Beyond से 0 करनी थी. देखो मैं जहाँ पर स्ट्रगल कर रहा हूँ ना, ये सेलेक्टिंग द डोमेन. ज्यादातर काम है ना डोमेन के, जो हमने डोमेन बनाया है इस क्यूब में, उसमें कुछ काम होते जैसे बियॉन्ड जीरो करना, हीट जीरो करना. शायद यहीं पर भी बेक का ऑप्शन भी मिलेगा. अगेन यू हैव टू सेट इट टू 100 आई गेस. बेक का ऑप्शन का है कैश, कैशे, कैश, कैशे टू प्ले ऑल. जहां तक मुझे याद है मैं कर रहा हूँ. डोमेन कोलाइडर गैस कलेक्शन कैशे रेंडर. After we have to off gravity. Gravity का मतलब it pulls it down, तो we'll just do it 0 क्योंकि कुछ असर ना पड़े. It's kind of like a क्या कहते हैं deep space kind of like system है. जहाँ पर gravity नहीं है. So physics. I don't know where should we go and do this thing, man. We should bake it up. I don't know where. Fluid. चला गया क्या है? I think 32 is fine. What do you say? या फिर 100 कर लेंगे. I think it's fine. We are doing one. मुझे लगा कि वो चला गया. Actually में वो चला गया था, तो we are doing it once more, I guess. ये कर लेंगे. Right. Gas A0. Enter. A0. Enter. Let's see if you have any chats or something. मुझे एक्चुअल में चैट्स आप भेजते होंगे तो मुझे पता ही नहीं. मैं देख ही नहीं रहा आपकी चैट क्या चल रही है. चल भी रही है, नहीं चल रही, कोई है भी कोई नहीं भी. लेट्स सी. मैं दूसरा लैपटॉप खोल रहा हूँ देखने के लिए कि क्या चल क्या रहा है. Going live. Just start. अच्छा, फिलहाल देख लिए कोई चैट नहीं है, so we don't have to worry about it. बट चैट आती है तो we have responsibility to reply to it. जो मैं बिजी हूँ थोड़ा यहाँ पर करने में. ब्रेक कहाँ से करते हैं भाई, मुझे ब्रेक कहाँ करते पता नहीं. राइट. जो और एक चीज करनी थी यहाँ पर, मुझे अभी याद आई. तो हम विल सेलेक्ट दिस वन नाउ. लेट्स सी इसका फ्लूइड क्या इफेक्ट है. कोलिजन ट्रीटमेंट दिस इज फाइन. इसका क्या है? इवेंट स्ट्रेंथ लोकेशन रोटेशन नोट शेड, ये भी ठीक है. इसका क्या है? इसका है फ्लूइड बाइसिग्नेशन type. Again we have to like probably flow, smoke geometry, inflow, initial density, everything is fine I guess, right? Should we bake it now? और व्हाट वी शुड डू मैन, आई फॉरगॉट, मैं तो भूल गया भाई. So just check our reference video.
Repeat that action a couple of
Check our reference video. स्लीव हेवी नहीं है भाई ये. लेट नहीं आ रहा क्या? वीडियो दिख नहीं रहा क्या तुम लोगों को? अच्छा, प्रोग्राम अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, सॉरी 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 सॉरी, मैंने शेयर ही नहीं की. कहाँ से दिखेगा? 20 मिनट निकाल दिया मैंने ना स्क्रीन शेयर किया. चलो, एनी हाउ, तो हमें ये पता चला. तो विल गो बैक टू आवर वीडियो. आवाज तो आ रही है ना? आवाज के लिए 1 मिनट, आई जस्ट चेक माई वॉइस की आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही. द रीजन बीइंग कि मुझे आवाज आ रही है. हाँ सॉरी, चल.
times. I only want 4 cubes for now. I'm going to scale these down and try to center them as follows.
आई वांट टू जस्ट सी कि यहाँ पर है ब्रेक कहाँ से करता है. वेयर विल ही ब्रेक इट फ्रॉम? इतना तो मैंने भी कर लिया. हाउ वीडियो की ब्रेक भाई साहब.
Breaking news! India's biggest
क्या है भाई वीडियो?
programs ना free आगे access ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Bake out to frame 100. I will go ahead and switch the type to all, and then I will click on, I'm going to actually also adjust my frames from 1 to 100, go back to my domain properties, and bake. Now it's going to be
कहीं पर ब्रेक मिल गया उसका थे, देखते हैं रुको. Where do we get the break from? Did you select this? यहाँ पर ब्रेक था क्या उसका? ब्रेक कहाँ है भाई? कहाँ है वो उसका? डोमेन सेलेक्ट करना है.
a very quick bake, and the reason I'm doing back to my domain properties and bake.
But don't check it out, where कहाँ कर रहा है इसका?
Now it's going to be a very quick to 100,
Okay.
go back to my domain properties, and
कैशे में मिल रहा है क्या ब्रेक इसका? हाँ, हमको कहाँ मिल रहा है? कैशे में. कैशे. Bake off. So we are doing the baking now. Let's see result क्या आता है. Let's see. यही प्रॉब्लम है भाई, इसका जपना पड़ता है. we have to wait for the results. तो जपेंगे, क्या कर सकते हैं. कितने 54% हो गया. या परफेक्ट. कोई देख भी रहा है क्या? मेरे अलावा कोई नहीं देख रहा. चलो ठीक है. मैं पहले कुछ मिनट्स निकाल दूंगा तो हो गया शायद. नहीं. हाँ, this is what we have done. I'm not satisfied with it. ये क्यों इतने, क्या what is happening man? रोटेट कर रहा है इसलिए ऐसे हो रहा है क्या? मुझे नहीं पता भाई. आई थिंक आज के लिए इतना काफी है भाई. मुझे तो बेजार आ रहा है. आई शो यू अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. आज के लिए इतना काफी है. आई ट्राई टू लर्न हाउ टू फ्लो दिस थिंग्स. if you put it in blend, how it looks. Something like this. I'm not expecting that. I just increase the strength of it. What do you say? Strength. Ah, anyhow, this is what we have got, which is not exactly what we wanted, but that's fine. तुम्हें वो कुछ और दिखाता हूँ. I'll just save it. Control yes, probably. Control S. Just press low. Enter. Save. I'll just open a new file. I'll just show you something that I have done yesterday. New में I'll just open. I don't think I made this in this laptop. Anyhow, I made a satellite for Mangalyaan. Just trying to make it cool. I'll try and make it here. Open general. Yeah. I'll make a Mangalyaan kind of like thing. What I was doing was मैंने लिया मैं गया इसरो मंगल ये yeah. And you go here, you get this site. And you get an assembly of Mangalyaan satellite. I got कहाँ है वो? It's not here. I think I found it in Wikipedia, I guess. Somewhere I found it. Ah, इनका नेट है भाई. This is the video that I found. It was like assembly of the satellite. So I just took this as a reference. So I went back to my Blender thing. I just tried to replicate not every part, but just basic outline of it. तो अगर आप दूर से इसको जब completion के नजदीक में इसको देखोगे, it's basically cube. I'll not change anything in this cube. I'll just add Control Shift A, mesh and UV sphere. I'll just grab it in Z direction. I'll just point it out like this. I'll just S it down, grab it Z. I'll just take this so that it's exactly grab Z, right? I'll S it down a little bit. I think this is fine, right? This is what we got at the basic. Then we got Shift A. I did Shift A, mesh, plane, grab in X or Y direction, right? Right. Then I just did an array. I just make it, but I'll do array. I'll go to modifier, add modifier, generate array. 3 are fine, I guess. 3 are very fine, I guess. 3 is fine. Then I'll do this. Then I'll grab it. I will just in X direction. I'll keep it here. I think और भी चलेगा शायद नहीं. छोटा है ना थोड़ा. I think it is a little bit widthy, so I'll just drop it down to in which direction? In Y direction, I guess. Slightly. I think this is fine. I will count it to 4, I guess. 4. Grab it. And not as grab in Y direction or X direction. I will like this, but I'll just take this so that it's perfect. The center है यहाँ पे 3 यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा grab it and next direction 3 क्या जाएगी I think it's fine right यार थोड़ा ज़्यादा बड़ा है ठीक है और हम क्या बड़ा बना रहे हैं हम थोड़ी ना मंगल मार्स पे भेजेंगे अपन I just grab it and in the y-axis I just bring it closer something like this मैंने यहाँ पर I just took shift A I just took a cylinder I guess grab bring it back to y direction yes it up in z direction I did it smaller yes in z direction yes in z direction probably I did it like tiny it's fine right हमारे इसका वो जो कहते हैं ना सैटेलाइट का क्या बोलते हैं वो डिश एंटीना जैसे रहता है I don't know what is used for obviously it is used for gathering signals but I don't know the exact working of it we'll grab it in y direction bring it closer and probably yes it will be bigger probably like this y direction and I'll take this and rotate it slightly like this right grab it and y bring it closer I think we are fine with this so now when you attach you have to get a few more things here get the plane right get the plane I'll take this in this x axis so that I get something grab it in x or y direction and yes it smaller grab it keep it somewhere right keep it somewhere अंदर गया तो चलेगा ना something like this Right. I want it to be little down selected this axis I guess it down not axis grab it in Z little plus right this is done now attach few planes here mesh plane in whatever direction I'll go in I'll grab it in y-axis bring it here somewhere yes it then y grab it right down somewhere I'll just choose y this direction take this press it down in what is this direction y not y x I guess is this fine let's check that then y direction not x direction is it not at center क्योंकि मैं धूल लगाऊंगा so just move it what's happening here so this I have made this already इसलिए मैं इसको बहुत जल्दी बना पा रहा हूँ I have not made it but I just watched the videos and tried few things so I know what is going on here so मुझे बस बेसिक पता है तो 4 दिन पहले जब से मैं स्ट्रीम कर रहा हूँ तब से ही आई एम ट्राइंग टू लर्न ब्लेंडर तो आई हैव लर्न सम बेसिक ऑफ इट so I understand few things of it Maybe there are many things. Obviously, ये जो node वाला आता है मुझे पता ही नहीं क्या होता है उसमें. It's like connecting neural networks. But I can make a model रिसर्च जिसमें हमें पता चला है कि 20% फर्स्ट के 20% होता है ना, we learn 80% of the skill in that first 20 hours that we spend in. 20 hours में हम above average skill सीख सकते हैं. In the sense, अगर मैं एक काम को 20 hours करूँ, for example, I played chess as a newbie for 20 hours, तो मैं I'm better than 70-80% of people already just because I played for 20 hours. I'm better than 20, 80, most of the population, more the population the world has. So that's good. This is kind of like thing. So if you want to be better in many things than other people, just try different things. For example, आपने 20 घंटे ब्लेंडर सीखा तो you're better than many of the people that who never know what blender is. तो आपने 20 घंटे कुछ लिखा तो you're better than many people world's population, average, more than average. अब writing उनसे better. You tried comedy, you wrote some jokes, 20 घंटे आपने काम किया तो you are better than most of the population in the world. So it's kind of like, it's a very cool theory, man. So you can learn anything at whatever stage you are in. You can be better than most people just by spending 20 hours. 20 hours क्या ही होता है, दिन के 4 घंटे पकड़ लो, 5 दिन पकड़ लो, 4 घंटे 5 दिन, you're better than world's population. तो हम इस पे back to thing, we'll add modifier, generate. I'll just add this, what do you call it, mirror. Mirror, this object is this. We are done. So I got this basic of it. यहाँ पर I have to add one thing. So I'll just do, what I'll do is edit mode पे जाकर tab दबाकर control R, this is what you want. We'll bring it by slightly smaller thing. कि एक पतली सी लेयर होती थी है उसमें. तो I'll select this, just do this, and not grab, it's extrude. Okay, wait, I'll do this angle. Extrude, right? I'll take this angle. Extrude. Extrude. So I think this is done. What we'll do is I'll take this edges, this edge, and this edge, and sit down with, yes, it, oh, what is it? It's not happening. So I'll just take the plane itself, man. No big idea. I'll just do that. That's it. Right? Why not next? Something like this. Right? You had something like this. So while there's something cube, I grab it up. Actually I have to delete it. Cause एक जो चीज मैंने कल सीखी थी ना कि एडिट मोड पे अगर आप करते हो ना तो एडिट मोड when you select one, it's not separate entity then. मतलब कि अगर मैं अब शिफ्ट दबा करके प्लेन बनाऊं, दिस प्लेन इज पार्ट ऑफ द होल सिस्टम, तो मैं एक सेलेक्ट नहीं कर सकता फिर. तो इट्स बेटर दैट यू गो इन द ऑब्जेक्ट मोड and then shift A, then I'll do this cube, then grab, I'll just S it down first, grab C, okay, grab GC, keep it somewhere here, grab Y, or do it, yeah, keep it somewhere here, right? So then my size करूँगा, size in Y, I do something like this. ऐसा कुछ था. It is not exactly what it was, but there are a lot of extrusion, a lot of things. मुझे इसमें सबसे कूल पार्ट लगी थी क्या पता है, एंड यू कैन ऐड सम meshes. मैंने एक शॉट देखा था, बट आई डोंट नो विल आई फाइंड इट बैक और नॉट. लेट्स सी आई कैन फाइंड आउट. हिस्ट्री में होगा, बट आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स इन माय हिस्ट्री, सो लेट्स accident. That's fine. I don't think I have anything that should be hidden. History. Some short, I guess. Where? I don't think so. I will find it. I don't think so. I'll find it. But I'll just search, man. Fill it in what is called Blender. Yeah, Blender. I saw it. I saw that shot जिसमें वो बहुत आसानी से something like this. Where did I find it? That was a shot. बहुत अच्छा था. Sim, I could not save it, man. सेव करना चाहिए था मुझे. I don't know. Probably this one, I guess.
Let's say you've got a grid and you want to add a new row that has the exact same size as the previous ones. Easy. You select these, extrude, constrain to the axis, then B. We can use any of these vertices as base points. I'll just select this one.
No, I don't think this was on. I don't know, man. Somewhere I saw. So I'll search it in your. I'll go for history. I will search it. Look at END, Blender. Will I find something? Uh, oh, and हमको ग्रिड किस तरीके से करा था भाई वो. Don't remember. Anyhow, we'll do this much is fine for us for now. हम इसको करेंगे थोड़ा सा, क्या कहते हैं, ये वाला thing, material. So I'll select this one. I'll go for material. I'll just do this first because इसमें shiny करना है, मजा आता है. Shiny, it looks shiny. हाँ ऐड कर लेंगे. Blender is not responding. चलो भाई, एक गेम चेस खेल लेंगे. Let's play a game of chess then. देखते हैं चैट पर कुछ हुआ नहीं. चार व्यूज. पता नहीं कौन कर रहे हैं, कौन देख रहे हैं, क्यों देख रहे हैं, पता ही नहीं. कंट्रोल रूम में देखते हैं क्या. Are there any chats? There are no chats. Fine. Sure. We'll play one game of chess. Hatna bhai. Play one game of chess. One game of chess. Just kidding. We'll play a 10-minute game. मेरा रेटिंग कितना हुआ? 1300 पे है ना? 1308. E4. So this. I just do it. Ah, let's do this then first. Hmm. I'll just do this and try to put it back. Let's do this. I'll just cast it like I'm just pressing evasion. I want to attack, think too much. So I just do this then. Just push it. Go back. Okay, that's everything. So that was a good move. Anyhow, just go in. Probably we might take. Let's just try to push my pawns, I guess. I take, he takes. Very boring. I just do. He can come here. So let's put it out here. I can push it front. Yeah, he is attacking my queen now. Okay, I have to go back, I guess, then, because this is not a threat. Okay, he took the bush knight. I can do this. I can just do this also. This is a very good push up. There's no pawns to defend it. Oh, actually, I did not saw that coming. Oh. I'm losing this one again. I think I'm losing this. I did not saw that. मैं देखा नहीं भाई. मैं देख रहा था मेरी स्ट्रीम कैसे चल रही है. So bad. So what should I do here? I'll just do this, I think. Can I win this? I don't think so. I'm a piece down. Do you want to push this something? Oh, you want to just protect that? Okay, fine. I just push this, what that's there. Push this. Take that. Just take that. It's not a good move. I just get a pawn. But yeah, whatever. Let's do this then. Hmm. It's boring, man. Actually, doing YouTube is a huge kind of like a. I don't know what will be the result. It's a very uncertain path. 6-8 महीने से कर रहा हूँ. It's just 70 subscribers, huh? So I don't know if will it work out or will not work out. Let's see. मुझे नहीं लगता कि वर्कआउट करेगा. But it's worth a decision, I guess. I can push that, but he takes. It's trying to do something crazy with me. My queen. Okay, fine, man. What should I do? I'll just push this. I'll just open it up. I'll just. Why did you do this? I was trying to beat my queen. Why did you do this? You want to come somewhere here? Yeah. Let's take this. Oh, I don't stop. भाई मुझे लगता है कि मैं फॉर्म में हूँ गेम में. Yep, this is not a 1300 player game. Obviously. ठीक है. Do something like this. Let's go with this. Just stop it. I'll just stop this also. Do this then. If it takes, I can take that back. Let's see. I don't know how to win this game. Obviously, I'm not going to win this game. I'm just playing. Oh, Blender. Oh, yeah, yeah. Let's see. He's obviously winning this game. He was the chance. Check. 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 I'll just. What I'll do here is. I'll just repetition and try to draw the game. That's what I can do here. I can't win this. Maybe I can, but if it does anything blunder. But भाई पता नहीं. Let's see what can do. This. Yeah, this is check. 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 That's a good one actually. So I should sacrifice two of my bushes, two of my rooks for his queen. So will I do that? I don't. You just because you can check these. There's that. Oh, I lost this obviously. Just check it. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? Okay, fine, I'll do that. चलो भाई बेसिक थोड़ा करके चले जाते हैं. Just stop it. Add new. Yeah. Surface. We'll just make this more metallic. Add little less or little smoother. देखो, when you make it smoother, ना, it looks so shiny, right? We'll just do that the same for little less also. I'll make it a little bit more metallic and little shinier. Too much, but it's not, right? So we'll just. I want to add some grids to this. I don't know how to do that. I think modeling में शायद I don't know how to do that. So फिर कभी कैसे करेंगे, सीखेंगे कैसे करते हैं. This is what I have did. Just color this into. I'll color this to blue, I guess. Blue था शायद. This color bluish somewhat enough, right? This I'll make it a little silverish if that's possible. Color. This is little, and I just do this as black color. Just do it black, not alpha. I just started with the value of black. This is black. This I think this. I'll just plain black. So this is my Mongolian satellite. So this is the model that I have made. It's pretty simple. So I'll also take a screenshot of it, or I can make a thumbnail of it. But नीचे से you can do some similar tropes. You can just add some extrusion or something. I'll just add Shift A. Cylinder. Press it a little down a little bit. This much is fine, I guess. We have it this direction. Grab it to little in Z axis. Grab it little and press it in. I think this is fine. I'll just add edit mode. I'll just insert. Just make it a little like this. Somewhat. Right? I think little ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चल रहा. Insert a little bigger, I guess. It's fine, I guess. Extrude inward. Or I can have just done. I just said this cylinder. Cylinder is there. Said cylinder में. What I will do is कुछ था ना array. I'll go to this, add modifier, generate boolean. Object is this one. So nice. No. Control Z. Here just select the Q, I guess. Add modifier, generate boolean object Oh, object is this. क्या हुआ, कुछ हो गया? Yes. Now if I do inset, I go to edit mode and extrude in upward direction. So it's a cool thing, man. I can do this. I can watch in this or this. And go for object. Let's look like this. It's not. I can also have added cones. Cone looks more good, but it's basic 3D mode. So what we can do is, can we use some cameras and try to rotate it? I'll just shift a mesh this here. I'll just grab it somewhere like this in acceleration and size it to grab it in acceleration. Somewhere here, we'll size it to something like this. This is our Mars. I'll just go for add. I'll just do base color to red. So it's the red planet Mars. Orange. Like somewhere here. Not too red. What is happening? Something like that. It is fine, I guess, right? So now I have to select all this. Not gravitas it down to this much. What do you say? Yeah, I think it's still bigger. But it's fine for demonstration. I'll just make this a little bit. That's it. Make it a little bit more bigger, I guess. Something like this. Now what we will do is we'll just X cancel it and we'll grab it in X axis. But here I will try to rotate it. That's what I'm trying to do. We'll just take the upper thing so it becomes a little easier. तो मैं यहाँ एक लूँगा at 0. I'll just do this and probably this and we'll give back. Then probably at 24, just grab it and place it somewhere. I'm calling this as my perigee, which is the closest point. Somewhere here and at 48, grab it. What's happening, man? It will place it somewhere. here, add somewhere here, grab it and place it somewhere here, grab it. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Just grab it and place it somewhere here. So let's see what's happening. Right? And here it goes slower. So I'll just grab this one, place it somewhere. Slowly it goes. It becomes slower for a point. So there's some little more. It gets faster again. So grab it, and place it somewhere here. I will make it a little slower. I'll grab it and place it somewhere here, I guess. And I'll grab it and place it somewhere back to what it was. Now something like this. यहाँ पर मुझे एक ये छूट गया था तो हाँ वो अटक गया. क्या छूट गया? कुछ ऑब्जेक्ट छूट गए यहाँ पे. यहाँ तक तो ठीक है. This part right यहाँ तक तो ठीक है. Just delete then this. It's fine, man. For for learning, it's fine. I guess I don't want to do it again. So हम पूरा फिर से सारा थोड़ा ये कर लेंगे. कंट्रोल शिफ्ट डी. हम रखेंगे इसको somewhere here. Now if you look, they're doing this circles. And if you do it again, shift D. Basically, yeah. Just will increase the N to 1000. Sorry. So we have more to do with it. Shift D somewhere here. So if I play this, we get something like I just want to increase the speed. So what I'll do is 24 की वैल्यू मैं करूँगा 30 frames per second. Right. This is what we have got. But where is our camera then? चलो भाई आज के लिए खत्म करते हैं इतना ही. I'll just save it. Control S. I just save it as Mongolian. Mongolian. Saved and fine. Hope you learned something. And thanks. Bye.